Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through data resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे गौहर इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 6 का यूनिट नंबर 9 and the title of unit is Teaching Children Their Place. अब हम देखते हैं इसकी एक्सरसाइज. Now oral communication skills. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, नईम एंड रहील. तो आपने अपनी क्लास में से दो स्टूडेंट्स लेने हैं जो इस डायलॉग को रोल प्ले करेंगे. Read and practice the dialogue. What are you doing, Raheel? I am using my new computer. My grandmother wants me to learn how to use a computer. Is using a computer difficult? It's a little difficult, but I think it is fun. Would you like to go outside and play? Yeah. What do you want to do? I want to go to the park and climb up a tall tree. We will throw paper planes from there. That's a good idea. Do you have an extra papers for making paper planes? Yeah. I will bring an old notebook. We can use that for paper planes. Okay, let's go. Now, अब reading में question answers देखते हैं. Why did Zainab feel miserable at the park? Zainab felt miserable at the park because there were no little girls to play with, so she sat still and quiet watching the boys play. When did Asad look around to find Zainab? When? Asad looked around to find Zainab when he was free from the play. Why did Asad not take Zainab to the park? Asad did not take Zainab to the park because he can't bother to look after her. What kind of thoughts ran through Asad's mind when he didn't find Zainab? The kind of thoughts ran through Asad's mind when he didn't find Zainab were, maybe somebody kidnapped Zainab, maybe she has fallen to the duck pond, maybe she had an accident. Why did mother feel pity for Asad? Mother felt pity for the Asad because Asad was ashamed of his. Why did Asad think that he was at fault? Asad thought that he was at fault because he left Zainab alone. How did Asad realize his fault of irresponsibility? Asad realized his fault of irresponsibility when he did not find Zainab. What is the responsibility of big brothers towards the little sisters according to the mother? Big brother must always look after little sister just as mother must always look after their children. Why did the author choose the word unkind? The author chose the word unkind because Asad was rude. Now अब हमने आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं कि कौन से सेंटेंसेस जो हैं वो पॉजिटिव हैं और कौन से जो हैं वो नेगेटिव हैं. Now पॉजिटिव देखते हैं पहले पेज नंबर 93 पे. Read this story, wash the wares, leave your shoes outside, eat those mangoes, write your name, close your book, eat my food, close the door, please turn the TV off, make your bed. और नेगेटिव कौन से हैं? Don't stand up, don't read this story, don't wash the utensils, don't leave your shoes outside, don't eat those oranges, don't write your name, don't close your books, don't eat my food, don't close the door please, don't turn the TV off, don't make your bed. Now अब एक्सरसाइज में नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है कि लुक एट द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द डिक्शनरी एंड कंपेयर देम विद द मीनिंग इन द टेक्स्ट. सल्कीली, क्वाइटली, बैड टेम्पर्ड एंड रिजेंटफुली. क्वाइट, क्वाइट. अगर इस क्वाइट की हम बात करें हैं तो ये क्वाइट है खामोश, साइलेंस. बॉदर, टू अनॉय, वरी. Furious, very angry. Occur, happen. Miserable, causing unhappiness or discomfort. Sob, cry with loud gasps. Now, look at the calendar and tell whether each statement is a fact or opinion. There are 12 months in a year. It's a fact. I think that watching fireworks is lots of fun. ये opinion है. Everyone should make Eid ul-Fitr cards. ये भी opinion है. April is a month with 30 days. ये fact है. Sunday is the best day of week. ये opinion है. This has been a terrible week. ये opinion है. Oranges contain both calcium and vitamin C. ये fact है. I think there is too much testing in public schools. ये हमारे पास एक ओपिनियन. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.